Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to log in and reset your Ravelry account password. Sometimes you might forget your password. If you have forgot your password, don't worry, it can be reset. To reset your Ravelry account password, first click on browser, go to ravelry.com, ravelry.com. Enter your username and password. If you are using from your own computer, click on remember me. After clicking on this, you don't have to log in again when you use it next time. After typing your username and password, click on login. To reset your password, click on I forgot. If you have forgot your password, click on I forgot my password. If you have forgot your username, click on I forgot my username and follow the instruction. Enter your email. Click on send me an email. Ravelry has sent you a password reset link. Check your email for the link. Click on the email. Click on the link. Enter your email or username. Create your new password. Your new password should be combinations of upper and lower cases, numbers and special characters. Retype your new password. Click on update password. Now your password has been successfully reset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.